Hey everybody, and welcome to Unchained with Yensum. Y'all know how much I love creating warm and inviting spaces, and today we're talking about creating that same sense of comfort and peace for our littlest loves, our newborns. There's nothing quite like the power of touch, and today we're diving into the wonderful world of infant massage. We'll be exploring some truly special massage techniques that can work wonders in soothing your little one, easing those little tummy troubles and just helping them feel safe, secure, and oh so loved. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos filled with even more parenting tips and heartwarming moments. And if you have a favorite massage routine that brings a smile to your baby's face, we'd love to hear about it. Share your go-to techniques in the comments below. Let's build a supportive community of parents, sharing tips and tricks along the way. Let's start with those tiny tummies that can sometimes cause our little ones a bit of discomfort. Whether it's gas, colic, or just getting used to the world of digestion, a little massage can go a long way in providing relief. First things first, find a cozy and comfortable spot. Maybe it's on a soft blanket on the floor, or even right there on your lap, wherever your little one feels safest and most relaxed. Now with your baby lying on their back, imagine a clock face on their tummy. Using gentle, loving strokes, start at the base of the belly button, where that 6 o'clock would be, and slowly massage in a clockwise direction. Think of it like you're helping those little digestive systems move things along naturally. Another technique that can work wonders is the knees to chest movement. Gently hold your baby's ankles and bring their knees up towards their chest. Hold for a moment or two, then gently release. This can help to release any trapped gas and ease those uncomfortable cramps. And don't underestimate the power of simple soft strokes. Sometimes, all your baby needs is the reassuring warmth of your touch. Use your fingertips to make light, rhythmic strokes across their belly. It's like a little love note to their tummy, letting them know everything is going to be all right. Now let's move on to a massage that's perfect for calming and relaxing your little one before nap time or bedtime. A soothing back massage. Lay your baby on their tummy, either across your lap or on a soft, safe surface. You can even use a rolled-up towel under their chest for added support. Once they're comfortable and secure, it's time to let your gentle touch work its magic. Starting at the shoulders, use your fingertips to make long, gliding strokes down their back, all the way to their lower body. Imagine you're smoothing out any little worries or stresses that might be lingering in their tiny muscles. As you massage, pay attention to your baby's cues. Are there any areas where they seem to relax into your touch a little more? You can spend a little extra time in those spots, using circular motions with light pressure to provide even deeper relaxation. And if your little one enjoys a bit more pressure, you can gently use your palm to make slow, sweeping motions down their back. It's like a warm, comforting hug that envelops them in a sense of peace and security. This back massage is not only incredibly relaxing, but it's also a wonderful way to bond with your baby. As you massage, talk to them softly, sing them a lullaby, or simply enjoy the precious silence together. These moments of connection are pure magic. Next up, let's give those little legs and feet some love. Just like our legs and feet can feel tired after a long day, those tiny limbs can use a little TLC too. Gently hold your baby's leg and use your fingers to make soft squeezes, starting from the thigh down to their tiny toes. Think of it like you're gently milking away any tension or fatigue. When you reach their feet, gently rotate each toe in a circular motion. This can help to stimulate circulation and keep those little toes nice and limber. And for a truly soothing touch, use your thumb to gently rub the sole of each foot. You might be surprised at how much your baby enjoys this simple gesture. It's like a mini foot massage that melts away any stress. As you massage their legs and feet, take a moment to appreciate just how much those little limbs are capable of. From those first wobbly steps to all the adventures that lie ahead, their legs and feet will carry them through so many incredible milestones. Finally, let's finish our massage journey with a focus on the head and face. These areas hold so much tension even in our little ones, so a gentle touch can make a world of difference. Using your fingertips, very lightly stroke your baby's forehead, moving from the center outwards. You can also make small, circular motions with your fingertips on their temples, a spot that often holds a bit of tension. Next, move down to their cheeks and use soft, circular motions to ease any tightness. Imagine you're gently wiping away any worries or stresses that might be lingering there. And to finish off our head and face massage, let's give those tiny ears a little love. Gently rub the area around their ears using your fingertips. This can be incredibly calming and soothing for babies, especially if they're feeling a bit overwhelmed or overstimulated. As you massage their head and face, pay attention to their expressions. You might notice them relaxing into your touch, their little eyelids growing heavy with contentment. These are the moments that make parenthood so incredibly special. Well, there you have it, friends. A collection of heartwarming and effective massage techniques to soothe and comfort your precious newborn. Remember, touch is a powerful language, and these massages are a beautiful way to connect with your little one, ease their worries, and create a sense of deep peace and well-being. Do you already incorporate massage into your baby's routine? We'd love to hear about your experiences. Share your favorite techniques or any tips you've discovered along the way in the comments below. Your insights might just be the encouragement another parent needs to give infant massage a try. And don't forget to subscribe to Unchained with Yensum for more heartwarming content, parenting tips, and heartwarming moments that celebrate the joys of family life. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.